we will continue to design Ether scans. Today we will design about the Ethereum gas tracker, and on this page we can see that it has three sections that we can focus on, like average gas price, like low, average and highs. Okay, and here's are the confirmation time gas price. Okay, so we scroll down that we can see this have a fees percent you in 3 hour fee last analytics dashboard extra, and here's in the footer. So we will continue to design it. All right, so yeah, we will duplicate it by Ctrl D, or you can enter less and duplicate it. If you want to on one side, you will press shift. Okay, it will fit one side. If you not press shift, you can move it anywhere, but remember press less. All right, so we have a side. Okay, and right there we can have a Ethereum gas tracker. Ethereum gas tracker. All right, and below we have three. Okay, three pedal. All right, and now we will move it outside, and on is we currently use the spacing between elements is 34, so I think it's like maybe we will not unless if we rest unless the balls will increase. Okay, so yeah, we will not rest unless just use left mouse. All right, and here 1360. You can divide it. All right, but it's not like we want, so the spacing is 24, right? And we can set it to the middle. Okay, and then we copy, pass here, pass to replace, and yes, then we have another spacing, and we want to copy the effect stroke and drop shadow. All right, so we click on this, Ctrl A, delete it all, and we will Ctrl Alt C, and then Ctrl Alt V. You can see it. I will repeat it again for you. Click on a frame, have effect like stroke effect. You click Ctrl Alt C, then Ctrl Alt V to base effect with stroke and drop shadow. Ctrl Alt V. All right. So the main show and hide UI, Ctrl plus show and hide UI to see everything. Okay, and now we have two sections. right? Then we can opacity, we can click the number 1, number 2, number 3, okay, on the keyboard to shortcut change the opacity, or you can drag right there, okay, to change opacity on the image, left and right. Or you can use the number, you can see it. Each time I click the number on the keyboard, the opacity will change exactly each time I click on it. Alright, so I think it's will 50% opacity. Oh no, 80%, and then we will click right there to lock it. Okay, or maybe you can use shortcuts like Control Shift L to lock object. Okay, so Control Shift L, Control Shift L. Okay, and lock it. And now we will select the text and right click and frame selection to create a frame, or you can click Control and Select T. Okay, we have a frame. To expand the frame, we can click to, you can hold the controls, to expand the frame. Okay, or you can hold Control and hold Alt to expand around. Okay, expand around, right? And the corner, the corner, the stroke, I think we will add a stroke, black trees with the corner radius. I choose for it a 14, or maybe 10, or maybe 8. I think 8 is maybe 6. Yeah, maybe 8. I think 8, right? Okay, and now we got and another tip is you click right there, independent corner. You click on this corner smoothing. It's meaning when you change it, the corner, you can see it. Let me zoom it. The corner will smoother. Okay, you can see it. The corner will be smoother. It's just a little, but if you use it on your design, the overall will look so good. The corner is smooth. Okay, and we have the content, and we will fill is white. Let me find some icon, okay, or emoji for it. Like when you got a low rise, okay, is happy, average is just happy, but not not like this. And the high, if the high is right, the right is high, you can see it's like the face is not happy anymore. So I will find the emoji for it. Yeah, okay, I think this emoji look better. It's like we celebrate something. Okay, and we got the print color. All right, and all the tests will also use black trees. Okay, align, center, space between, I think is good. You can see create auto layout by click shift A to create auto layout. With auto layout, you can change the horizontal gap between items easy by dragging this, or change the number, or you can click on it and press the around pattern left and right to easy change the element, or you can lick the mouse to practice easily. All right, so yes, we will shift A to create auto layout, and now we will align to the center. Yes, maybe I think, yeah, it's on the centers, and the spacing between this is 4. Yeah, and another way that you can test is in like you can see it's or not by clicking on 100% to make sure that when you on the website you can see it's clearly as possible as you can, not like zoom in zoom out too much. So yeah, that's it for today. We will continue to design display on next video. I hope all you guys have a good day and receive more value. If you like it, you can comment below or share it to your friends. Have a great day. See you and bye bye.